Hi friends. Welcome back. I hope so you are good by the grace of God. Today I want to show you how to change and highlight your mouse cursor on your computer. This may helpful many times. Like in presentation, during online teaching and etc. There are so many ways that you can customize your mouse. Let's check this out. We're going to start with the customizations that you can make without needing to install any third-party tools on your desktop. Go down to the search box. Click on that. And then type in mouse setting. Now if you are looking at just mouse and cursor size, click on it. Here you can adjust the style of your mouse cursor right now. It's set to the default white cursor. You can change with black, inverted and custom. Click on custom. Here you can see the 7 colors are showing. But you can select another color also by clicking on pick a custom pointer color. Wow! There are many colors. Select a color that you want. And click on done. It's not enough. There are more functions. You can also change the size of your mouse cursor. Adjust the size of cursor that you want. Now click on additional mouse setting. Click on mouse options. Click on pointers. You can see there are so many pointer. If you want to highlight your cursor, you can add a highlighted cursor by downloading. If you want to download, there is a link of website given below in the description. Or write rw-designer.com in the Google search box. When website is opened, click on gallery. Write mouse cursor in the search box. Now scroll down and click on highlight set cursor. There are so many highlighted cursors in this set. Click on download. After downloading this file, click on show in folder. And right click on it. Click on extract here. After extracting all cursors, copy or cut these cursors and go to the C drive. Click on Windows. Now click on cursors and paste your cursors here. Now again go to mouse setting and click on additional mouse options. Click on pointer. To add your highlighted cursors in this list, click on browse and select your cursor and click on open to add your cursor. Now you can see your cursor is added. Now you can use highlighted cursor anywhere. Hope so this video is very useful for you. To watch more videos, like this video and share it with your friends. Consider subscribing. See you next time. Thank you.